Let's just increase my CPU load. Heaps. I'll skip FS check and hopefully it doesn't cause anything bad to happen. Hmm? Okay. Just takes 10-20 minutes to run the FS check. And oh yeah, I just started mounting by accident and oh wait, hang on, because I didn't run FS check, I can just unmount it. Yeah. Probably need to readjust. Mount's so slow even without FS check. There you go. Oh, it's just because my disks have to be red. Good old spinning rest. But even this is taking a wee while, isn't it? I think one of them's just got a lot more data on it than the others. Starting I like read. You can probably have a look at the Emacs if you want. The fuck is this? Never mind. probably gonna make things slower, isn't it?
Yeah, you should flip that off.
It's probably gonna take forever to turn off anyway. Need to figure out how to stream this display on at 1080p. It's like move the monitor around. Oh no, it's not. I don't remember where those options were. Kernel hacking, right?
Yeah. Block debugging halfway down.
This one.
Turn that off. Just turn everything off.
Yeah. Do I need to? I noticed.
Flip off IRQ flag manipulation debugging.
Oh yeah. Not sure why that's on. Wait, remote debugging over firewall enabled? All sorts of stuff.
I don't think you need that.
Yeah.
Memory debugging, check under there. That stuff is expensive.
Oh, that's that really annoying one that's just says use X amount of bytes.
Yeah.
Seems to be on for no apparent reason. I think I turned on some of these as well.
Those are good to have on.
Oh. It's probably fun.
Yeah.
What the? Okay. Now I have to compile the kernel. Completely again without log debug. Wait, why is it? A B top instead of H top. I was really weird actually. H top's gotten an update. H top got an update. Look at if you look at the live stream, you can see there's like a tab for IO now.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's got these like separated bars and stuff. I was like, oh, wait, where the fuck did that tab for IO come from?
Oh, I don't have that. You've got a newer version than me.
Yeah, I'm running Nexus unstable, so I'm on the bleeding edge.
I'm running Debian Sid.
Is that unstable as well?
Mm-hmm.
But isn't like Debian unstable notorious for being quite stable?
Yeah.
Yeah. And the contrast on my screen is so... the colors are so deep, so much more deeper on my new monitor than my old one.
Nice.
Gonna take a wee while to get used to. Hopefully Wayland and stuff will get proper color management at some point too, because mine's does it goes way over sRGB. It does the 98% of DCI P3 or whatever it is. So it probably needs proper calibration for displaying sRGB pictures and all sorts of stuff. Probably just
Trying to get the key cache working with the inodes B tree again. My last key cache coherency patch, we should be able to do it. Still hitting something strange. All the crazy interactions between like the snapshots code and the B tree iterator stuff. Key cache, it's a lot. Oh, why is my kernel not build?
Oh, I see. I forgot. I think I know why that Tmux here is throwing. Anyway, I'll pipe this to a file before I
All right.
Hang on. Is there Are you joking? It's in the It's in the journal log. I could have just sit for it.
Oh,
in the journal.
goddammit.
I've already run FS check on it.
But you have the journal dump.
Oh yeah, I do. Yes, good idea. Good point.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, let's speed things up. What are we searching for? Pop. Can't remember. Oh, that's loud. What are we searching for on the journal again?
Search backwards for either. So you're going to want a regex, an OR mode regex that searches for either the bucket or the extent. Either of those could have been modified, causing inconsistency, and we want to find the last time either of those was modified.
So we're looking for the. Are we looking for the bucket key, or the? Should we want the extent key?
Both.
Both. Oh yeah. No, it's not. I'm gonna have to figure out why this copy and paste thing is like broken. I think I should just type it manually. Actually, it's probably quicker than clearing the buffer.
Here, let me.
I like how it's auto completing for the old stuff. I'll have to figure out how to do Emacs copy and paste and stuff, or the. No, that's not even. You guys, Kitsune isn't even seeing it.
Let me grab it from your machine because I can probably fit it into memory on my machine. Uncompressed.
Yeah. I mean, I know it takes a few seconds. It's already done. It's 16 seconds.
But then I can have it in less.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Well, let's look at that.
I think some of those are false. Yeah, some of those numbers are not matching.
Yeah.
I mean, we can still do less anyway.
Let's try.
Hmm.
Where do you have your that dump file?
My dump file?
Yeah, the compressed journal dump.
It is in just in my home directory dev/Linux.
Say again after home directory.
Dev/Linux. That's where all my kernel development stuff is in.
Journal log.cst.
Yeah.
How much RAM does your machine have?
How much RAM do I have? I got 32. I can have to close the VM, but
Oh, don't worry about it. I got 64 on mine. No VMs running currently.
I'm not too worried. Like, it only takes 13 seconds to grep the entire file anyway, so... Me.
It's nice being able to search backwards for
Yeah,
the
that's
thing of
true.
grepping with less. Just go down to the bottom.
Ooh, what was that key? I'm blind. 6098. It's a... Right at the end of the file, there's an overwrite here. Do we need more context, or?
So let's see. That's
Is it?
not the one we're looking for.
Okay. Thought it might not be.
No, we can refine our grep though, because we want the key at. Although this is interesting, the bucket is at the end of a leaf node. No, the beginning of leaf node. That's probably not that interesting. All right, let's change our grep.
Okay. Is that it? You got results back, but it's not... No writes. Was that grep correct?
More context would help. This is why I like using less.
True.
I finished copying it from your machine.
I just put 1,000 lines of context in. Oh, still no switch. There we go. And not what? Right. 9844355128. Probably good enough. I gave it 1,000 lines of context there. It feels like we're back to square one because we don't have any results or writes. So this wasn't like a race condition by the looks of it. No, hang on. That's not even the entry, is it? Nothing.
Sorry.
It's all
Copy.
good. I'm doing something else anyway. Well, we're not getting. I'm not finding anything after those changes.
Something's wrong with cut and paste. Huh. 9844355.
My Emacs is using Control A as well instead of the default. That matters.
Okay. The what? I'm seeing an update to that alloc key at the very end of the dump. Somehow we didn't see this before.
Oh yeah.
B-tree key cache journal flush. And we went from 2 back pointers to 0 back pointers. That's okay. That's probably key. Actually, that would just be the what was being overwritten in the B trees. That's we can ignore that.
Oh, okay.
Hang on, maybe my. Oh, I'm missing the bucket. Two
2609822.
Less is taking a while. Maybe you have the right approach after all. Okay, let's see what you got.
Once it's in memory, it'll probably be a bit quicker.
I do have it in memory.
I'm using a rip grep as well, which is a little bit quicker than probably the less.
It's not highlighting anything. Okay.
Yeah, I couldn't find anything either. I found no results for the bucket, and that key I found a key that had the last few digits the same, but not the same thing.
Huh.
There's still nothing in the thing like normal. I don't know why Emacs keeps changing the size. It's a bit weird.
Find out if less's regular expressions support word markers.
Ah, is that? Yeah. My list isn't finding much. What's funny is it's ripgrep and Z standard are competing for the most CPU usage in it, so it's not even that much of a problem. Yeah, I'm not finding anything.
Me neither.
It's so weird.
Are you sure that that error message is the right one?
Yep. June 9th. I just did a back search on the journal message. So. But this is always what we've had this problem with, is we just couldn't find anything in the journal. It's like this phantom thing that just appears out of nowhere and then disappears again.
Did we decide that FSCK was just not finding it and not fixing it? I think that might have been where we
Maybe.
were at.
Yeah. So we want to like use the list command instead.
Say again.
We just want to use list.
Oh, to
find the There we go.
no, we made some progress on this before, and I think we're retracing our steps and not remembering what we were doing.
Yeah. Can I list?
Okay, I was just working on getting the bcacheFS master branch building again because I didn't check if it built when I merged in print buffs and shrinker to text. I've got a re-based back pointers.
I probably should Wait. What do we want? What do we want to list? What is that?
Hang on.
No good.
No, we already did that. We don't want to list the B tree. We know there's an inconsistency. We're finding it at runtime, but FSCK is not finding it. So we need to figure out why FSCK is not finding it.
I assume maybe even list back pointers wouldn't find it.
Like what we were doing before, we were adding stuff to the FSCK code to see if we ever found. Okay. Let's add some tracing, some print statements to the. We know that this key and this back pointer exists. So FSCK should be checking them, right?
Yeah,
Let's
I think
add some print statements to see if FSCK is even finding them and walking them correctly. And if it's not, then we know where the problem is. I think what we discovered before was that it wasn't, and we
yeah, I was just gonna say, I think we found out it wasn't. Yeah.
yeah. So we need that error message.
Yeah, I just posted onto Gist.
Where's your guest?
I think that's. Wait, is it? No, that can't be it. Is it? 9443. Did I miss something? Right. 9.
That looks right.
Oh no, that's right. Oh no, I'm just misreading. Yeah. Failed unmounting home.
So I still not building. Kernel tree still not building. So I'm an idiot.
I don't know why, but like I need to use the Emacs client. I have to type this big command in every time. Emacs client -c -- alternate editor equals, just to get it to open. Can't remember what I was gonna do with Emacs.
Okay, kernel finally builds on the bcacheFS branch.
Yay. Yeah, looks like the unmount is not working.
Let's leave that for later.
Yeah, quit. Mu. Okay.
Okay, now we should have a working back pointers branch up with new OM debugging stuff. Once that push finishes. Now I was starting to look at what we want to trace. Okay, so we want to check back pointers to extents. Check one back pointer. Let's print out every time we're checking a back pointer in that bucket.
Yeah, I've got the Oh, I have another. No, it's not. I added the sysfs file for our copy GC work. Because you know how we weren't getting the trace point?
Uh-huh.
It turns out I had like 1,800,000. No, 180,000 units to do or whatever. And so it took like half an hour for it to run through and then it actually trigger the.
Oh man.
Isn't there shouldn't there be an upper bound on how big the heap gets, or am I missing something? I thought it was like per bucket or something now. But I don't know.
The main part of it, the main part is one bucket at a time, but when we choose which buckets to evacuate, we do that by building up a heap. And that heap is some fraction of the device. So we could move the trace points around, or yeah, we'll have to think about that at some point.
Yeah, but that solves why it wasn't triggering. Yeah. Just cool. I'm glad that patch helped out you. It should be up on my GitHub as well if you want to check that out. Now, what was I? Oh yeah, I was going to check out that.
Actually, maybe you should double check and make sure. See what's in those keys and add that to the gist, both the alloc key and the extent. Or the error message has the extent. Oh, yeah, we want to know if the back pointer is in the alloc key or if it's in the back pointer's B tree.
Do we need context for these? Is that? I mean, you've got the files there on your computer. You could probably do it anyway. Oh, no, hang on. Right, I need to do the thing.
Checking the alloc key, yeah.
The back pointers, we're looking for the extent key, right? So
No, we've got the extent key in the error message in the gist. It's the alloc key that we need.
How do we find that? Like, that's what I mean. Like, what are we searching for?
You're doing a list keys command, and you're looking for the key in the alloc B tree at that bucket position.
So list dash m keys.
Mm-hmm. -d alloc.
Oh, sorry, that's not what I wanted to do. Oops.
Don't need to grab that.
Let's be alloc. Okay.
And then start at the bucket 3
Dash
2609822.
2 26098. I think I've got that right. And do we want end as well, or just start?
Yes. Give it the next key, next position for the end. Zero 9823. I think that'll work. Oh, I'm also
Yeah.
we're leaking a print buff. Just push to a new branch with your name on it.
It annoys me that the scroll buffer in Z8S is shared. The command history is shared for terminal instance. Kind of annoying.
Oh, is that a ZSH thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, that annoys me too.
I think it just flushes on a pair of command bases to the log. Okay, I got the catch. Oh yeah. That was some pretty good comedic timing. Okay, we got results for that.
What was the? That doesn't look like the extent we were looking for, does it? Nope. So, oh yeah, we were trying to look through the back pointers B tree.
Oh, back pointers victory. That was
Except
Alex.
there's only 2 back pointers there, so huh. Huh.
Why is my option errors continue? Huh? Oh, that might be just the tool itself, right?
Could use list keys to grab the extent. The pointer got chopped off in the gist.
Oh, sorry, the oh, I see what's gone wrong there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I see what's gone wrong. I need to scroll sideways in the VM. It's probably quicker to just mount the thing and look at the log. Those ears or
I fixed that. I thought I fixed that.
did you get add before or after?
Oops. You must be running with slub debug on. How did that? What the? God damn it!
Slub debug. I need to like Man, my stream's really popular. I got 4 views. Well, let's just fire up Discord on the web browser while I'm waiting for the update. Oh yeah, Discord's working. Did you push fixtures for that? Or is it?
Working on it.
Oh yeah.
Three different branches to fix right now.
Fair enough.
Pushing to GitHub is always slow.
Oh yeah. It'd be cool if you could do it from your server or something. Just have Seagit bounce it to the.
That's how it works.
Or is it?
Yep. A post commit hook or a post update hook. Okay, now your branch should be updated.
Yeah. Just got it. Yeah, I'm no longer using GitHub for that because it was slightly annoying. I like. Um. Were we? I'm just gonna try and get that thing out of the journal log. The what do you call it? System D journal.
I'm getting confused about where that back pointer is coming from because that bucket only has 2 back pointers in it. It seems unlikely that it would have overflowed to the B tree. Anyway, you could scroll back and see what that one was.
Scroll back to and say what? This up here.
That compile warning.
The compile warning.
That's probably not going to be practical.
And this one,
That's
you mean?
the previous one. Or the other one had it too.
Oh, yeah.
FSD path, PRT path. Okay, that's something I got to fix.
Oh, yeah. How's it recompiling the whole entire kernel? That's interesting. Why is it not working? Why isn't it updated? Don't know why that's not working. Why is that not working?
What's not working?
Oh, Sway. For some reason I can't monitor it. Hmm. Hmm. The hell? Why is it a no? That's working, okay.
So, did you find the extent?
Sorry, I got distracted waiting for the kernel to compile.
It's all right. I'm getting more and more confused about this.
Yeah, it's really weird.
It's like neither passes and FSCK is noticing this.
What pointer were you looking for?
Can you throw that whole thing into the gist?
I wonder if there's some other part this did. There we go.
What's I looking for? Pointers. Pointer device 3. Bucket 2085877. No, that's not close.
Okay, I think the gist is updated. So
Say again.
gist is updated. So it's
Okay.
now I've got the kernel running.
Okay, there we go. Yeah, so if you mount in FSCK mode, then we should get some print statements. So it's looking like there is no back pointer that points to that extent.
Hmm.
So, or is there?
I think I searched for the extent as well in the instant list, and there was nothing there. That's my mouse cursor's a bit bung. There we go. Old Wayland issues, I guess.
Let's see. I could also change back pointer get key to also print out the back pointer offset. That would be useful.
Oh yeah. Okay. That's not good.
Oh, what's not good?
Trying to I just rotated my monitor 90 degrees, and now that I've done that, I can't launch any games larger than 720p. Which is a bit strange.
Okay, I just pushed another patch.
Okay.
Further improves that error message when the backfinder doesn't match.
Should I should keep running this, right?
Say again.
Keep running this though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hang on, I just realized I'm not. There we go.
If we don't get anywhere with this.
Oh wait, what the hell's that?
Hmm?
An error message. Is that? Oh, that's not an error, it's just a hung task. See if we take. Oh, that probably helps us. Kernel read is really slow.
Back pointers to extents. See what we tried. I should have added a print statement for
Oh yeah.
check one back pointer when the back pointer points to that. What's that extent? Because like we're walking a back pointer that does point to that extent. But FSEK is not walking that back pointer and noticing this. Like there's multiple things that are going wrong here. For this to go on the tape. So I just pushed another fix-up patch that adds more tracing. If we ever see a back pointer that prints to that extent, we print it out. Hey, I got something.
Oh yeah.
Check one back pointer.
Oh, I'm surprised we got something in the if it's check stage.
That's the one that prints out when we're at that bucket.
Okay.
So we're not seeing the back pointer of interest yet. Could there be something wrong with how we're using BP offsets? BP offset skipped. Oh, okay. That's because we break up the bucket offset into the low bits. So it didn't actually skip anything. Okay, so we're really only finding those two back pointers. There shouldn't be any B-tree back pointers. If there are, then that's buggy.
Yeah, it's a bit weird.
So then how the heck are we walking a back pointer that doesn't seem to exist? That gist, it's not printing the back pointer out. It's printing the bucket out. It's printing the extent.
Is it because I didn't run the new version, or?
I think if this mount doesn't find anything interesting, then you should try to reproduce it with the newest version.
Yeah. Oh, we got something. Checking extent, the back one is found. 355 128.
Where? This is not the same as. Wait, how many pointers is that? Pointer on device 1, pointer on device 2, device 3, pointer on device 0, and 4. That's a lot of pointers.
I do have 5 devices.
Multiple catch pointers, that's not supposed to happen.
Yeah. Well, I did have cached fragmentation issues, so
Say again?
I did have cached fragmentation issues, so
So this might explain a thing or two. We need to check the code that creates cache pointers and make sure it's, I mean, it's clearly is creating more than one and it's not supposed to. Or is it? Does it matter? Maybe it doesn't matter. This doesn't look the same as.
do you got the error message?
Hang on. Pointer 3208587. Okay, it is the same. 1536. Yeah. Okay. It's had some additions, but it's the pointer on device 3 is the same.
Oh yeah.
So, question my newest code would answer is there must be a back pointer in that bucket 2085877 that does point to that.
Oh yeah. And then Wayland display capture makes my game lag really badly. It just sucks.
Who's got time for games?
Yeah.
Well, this is starting to feel like progress.
Yeah. Especially since you said that a lot of cache pointers.
That's interesting, but probably not relevant.
I was wondering if we were like, yeah, if it's since there's so many cache pointers, maybe there's like getting confused.
Oh, cache pointers aren't supposed to have back pointers. I don't think the back pointer code is checking that.
Oh yeah. Where's my...
Spotted another refactoring.
Oh yeah, disabling the Wayland's display capture restored my FPS. That's so much better. I wonder why it's so slow, because it's using the same system as... interesting. Looks like FS check is finished. Run it again. Oh god, it's already is that the memory error issue? I think it is.
Memory issue?
Yeah, look at how slow it's running.
OMing?
I don't think it's OMing yet, but it's just running like... Yeah, HSoft is just hanging.
Getting there?
I think. Or is it just... Wait. No? Maybe it's just fine. Why is it taking so long? I'm gonna blame P9. Could also be the fact that I'm running a game in the background and it's got higher priority than the VM. Like I trying to look, I just realized what I'm doing. Running a game, running a VM, running OBS to stream that, all that. Like, I wonder why it's lagging. I'd have run out of run out of everything to run. I keep hitting that wrong button. That one. Now I need a new GPU to keep up with my monitor.
I'm just now pushing an update to
Okay.
make sure to exclude cache pointers when we're checking back pointers to extents. I should check the reverse direction. Extends to back.
Oh, whoops. I want.
Okay, that's already done. Yeah, I grabbed the latest.
What? Come on. There.
What commit ID are you on?
3C768D8. I think that's right.
Oh, yep.
Cause there. Yeah. Weird as I have the game's volume down to like 12% and it's really loud still. I wonder if they yeah. How's it? If this check's gonna take forever.
Let's look at a profile this time.
Oh yeah, I can do that. Probably doesn't help that I'm running game in the background. Probably won't show in the VM. History cache find. That's probably just disk bound, right? Looking at that.
Pull up top.
Yeah, I got it up.
Right top. Oh, that's
Oh.
perf top.
Oh, I see what you mean, yeah. See the disk usage.
Pull them both up at the same time. Yeah.
No, it's not a lot. Oh, there we go. A bit of activity, and then it slows. No.
Pull perf top up in another pane.
This is in a VM, so I can't do that.
Oh, you can't pull up another. You can't get another terminal.
I could probably make a new instance of Emacs inside of it, but I don't know.
That'd be a little bit.
Yeah. Wait. Do I have screen in here? Dang, I don't have screen in it. No, that's not gonna work. Dang. Why is it me? It doesn't. It's hard to. Yeah, it's hard to tell. Mark extent. Fixed pointers.
It's probably going to be memory bound.
Okay. Not using a lot of memory. Still like a gig left.
And we weren't really CPU bound, were we?
No.
Huh.
A little bit. Maybe that.
Still IO bound?
Oh yeah, I guess so.
Yeah. Pulling in V-tree nodes.
We could probably wait. Can I do? I don't know how accurate this is, but there's we can get some stats from the host at least. What happened to all the?
Disk IO.
I'm trying to figure out where all the IO stuff went. Meters, disk IOs. What? Am I? Ah, that. Ah, there we go. There's the IO one. Wait. What is that one? Why isn't it showing then? Is there's all threads. I don't want threads. Hide, use land threads, they're done. There we go, I got the host htop and I'm gonna do like... Probably a bit late now though. Y'all eating something?
Mm-hmm. Some figs.
I wonder... It's only kind of disk bound, but it could just be bad IO ops on my disk or something. It's hard to tell at 30 megabytes per second. It could be IO ops.
Yeah, you're on SSD, right?
It's a NVMe drive and 4 hard drives.
Sorry. Caching going on, or?
Yeah, caching.
What SSD cache are you using?
Both promote and foreground. Where's the... Oh, now it's changed. It looks hard drive. It's IO bound, definitely. The biggest usage is read HP.
Mm-hmm.
Which is top. Top itself. Okay, so the sound effects slider doesn't actually control the... What is it? Yeah. I think. Oh, good. Annoying. What's it? It still sounds really loud though.
Let's see the dmessage log.
Alrighty. Still checking allocations.
Okay.
Oh, just finished that. So checking needs. Hmm. Oh yeah, so I'm GPU bound in this game. Silly. It's actually using a really high amount of video memory. If I can crank it. I don't think that actually halved at all.
Yeah, if we don't get anything informative from the FSEK output, then just try to reproduce it again. So I think back pointer not found now has everything I can possibly think of. Now some more stress testing here.
How's it going? It's found the first thing. I'm just gonna go get a coffee.